Okay, so if I wanted to calculate the difference quotient for 1 over x, which is 10.1 number 35, how would I start this process?
You plug in x plus h, which is not the bottom.
Okay, so I'm going to try my new trick. So f done to boxes is 1 over boxes, right?
Right. Yeah. And your box is x plus h.
Okay, and then into that box I need to feed in x plus h. So keep in mind that I'm not calculating this full thing yet, right?
No, you're just taking these.
I'm just like getting the constituent pieces. So to start with here, I've got an over h, right? And then what do you got on top?
You're going to have 1 over x plus h.
You got 1 over x plus h minus
1 over x plus h.
1 over
x, sorry.
1 over just x, right?
Sorry.
Okay. And now there's some desire to... Yeah, I don't know. I mean, you got to do something, right?
Multiply by x plus h and x, and the first one would be x over x plus h x, and then the other one would be x plus h over x times h. Like where you don't have one, you have the other.
Nice. Get a, what's that procedure called? Cool. Cut the fractions up into matching pieces. In other words, get a common bottom, right? So, this guy on the bottom has an x plus h. This guy on the bottom has an x.
Oh, multiply by what?
In other words, this guy needs an x plus h, and that guy needs an x, right? So, if I just go do that, like I'm going to stick an x plus h on the bottom here. I'm going to stick an x on the bottom there. But
the top as well.
Yeah, but that's crazy, right? You got to put one on the top too. So you put an x on the top there and an x plus h on the top here. What did that gain me?
Common bottom.
So I got it over h, right? But then what's on top there?
X over x squared plus xh.
How about, sure.
Or x, yeah, I mean, I just did it. Yeah.
I'm just going to write that as x
Yeah.
times x plus h because I'm not sure what I want to do with it.
Maybe cancel?
Maybe cancel. Exactly. You guys good with that? Okay, then what's your second bit? What are you subtracting now?
X plus
h over x times x.
parentheses x plus h.
Cool. So we got x plus h over x times x plus h.
Yeah.
Now at this point, resist the urge to cancel that x is in this one and the x plus h is over there.
Yeah.
Why?
One's bound by an addition sign. And
Oh,
they're
no.
both separated by
No. I mean, you could cancel an x plus h and an x plus h. But why would that be dumb?
Because you just
Because then
did
you,
what you
then you
did.
just
Because you just put that in there. Don't take it out. You put it in there for a reason. You put it in there why?
So you can subtract
so you
it.
can. Oh,
Yeah, so you can stick them together, right? Because now they're counting the same stuff, right? The bottoms are the same, so now you can subtract the tops. So you've got x minus x plus h over
x times x plus h.
x times x plus h.
Over
And
h.
yeah, all this junk is over h, right?
So could you then
So what's
multiply
x minus x plus h?
H, negative h.
Negative h on the top,
Yeah.
right? Distribute that minus sign in, and then combine like terms.
Yeah.
So I think I got a minus h on the top, and an x times x plus h on the bottom, and then an h on the bottom.
So what you could do is multiply by
Yeah, multiply top and bottom by 1 over h. Or think to yourself you're dividing by h over 1, flip and multiply, right? Either way, what you're going to crop up with here is a minus h over x times x plus h times h. I'm going to do one of these. So you get
of
Negative 1
x plus
over
h times x.
Negative 1 over x times x plus h. Cool. Questions, Steels? No? Good?
As far as you want us to go, you don't want us to distribute the x.
Could, but that's.
I don't want you
the
to
book just
distribute
has
the
that
x.
answer in it.
It's a waste of your time. The reason I would prefer to keep it multiplied out is, frankly, if you're going to do something with it, it's a lot easier to multiply it out later than it is to factor it out later. Not so much in this case. Like, this is pretty easy either way. But in general, it's easier to multiply out, like FOIL out later when you need to, than it is to factor out if you want to cancel something.